How to treat a belly button infection. The overall cases of occurrence of a belly button infection have increased over the time. The main reason for this problem is the lack of basic body hygiene, which results into the infection. Belly is considered as an ideal place that support the growth of a lot of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi and yeast, and thus all the problem starts. Common symptoms of belly button infection are pain, itching, inflammation, slight swelling, redness with white fluid coming out of the skin, etc. In order to get relief from the belly button infection, it is very important to maintain a personal hygiene, and along with that you can use the following home remedies to get a faster relief from the problem. Warm salt water. A belly button infection can be treated with warm salt water. The heat from the warm water will help increase blood flow to the infected area, while the salt will help absorb the moisture inside the belly button to aid healing. Plus, it will act as a disinfectant. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to 1 cup of warm water and mix it until the salt dissolves. Dip a cotton ball in this solution and use it to clean the infected area, then carefully pat dry. To further combat the infection, apply an over-the-counter, water-based antibacterial cream. Repeat once or twice a day until the infection is gone. You can also purchase a ready-made saline solution from most drugstores. Tea tree oil. This is another great home remedy for treating yeast or bacterial infections like belly button infection. Tea tree oil has antifungal, antiseptic and antibacterial activities, which make an excellent home remedy for belly button infections. Warm compress. Apply a warm compress on your belly. This remedy serves the dual purpose of providing relief from the pain and inflammation caused due to the infection and restricting the growth of microorganisms in the belly button due to the hot temperature. You can use this remedy for 15 to 20 minutes and repeat many times in the day to get best results. Rubbing alcohol. To clean the affected area, you can also use rubbing alcohol. Its antiseptic property will sterilize the infected area and prevent the spread of infection. It will also provide relief from the irritation and pain. Put a small amount of rubbing alcohol on a cotton ball. Rub it onto the affected area and leave it on. Reapply several times a day for several days. Coconut oil. Like tea tree oil, coconut oil is also very effective in providing relief from the infection in the belly button region. It also helps in reducing the inflammation and swelling. Applying a few drops of coconut is therefore recommended, and you should follow this remedy several times in the day to get complete relief from the infection. Indian lilac. Be it yeast or bacterial infection that affects Indian lilac, also known as neem, can definitely help a lot in treating it. Neem has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce pain and itching and prevent further spread of infection. Make a paste of a few neem leaves and apply it onto the affected area. You can also add a little turmeric powder. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. Pat dry thoroughly. Do this twice daily for several days. You can also add a few drops of neem oil to 1 teaspoon of olive oil or any other carrier oil and apply on the affected area for quick healing. Aloe vera. Aloe vera doesn't just moisturize the skin, but also cools it down. This soothing effect helps treat redness and reduces pain and inflammation caused by belly button infections, thereby making aloe vera an excellent remedy in this regard. Turmeric powder. Turmeric powder also helps in treating the belly button infection by eliminating the growth of the microorganisms. Moreover, the antiseptic nature of it helps in getting relief from the pain, inflammation and swelling. Make a thick turmeric paste and apply it in the belly button to get relief. Calendula. Calendula herb contains hydrating, anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that help soothe itching and irritation from infected belly buttons. Also, this herb supports healing. Crush 2 to 3 calendula flowers or leaves and extract the juice. Apply the juice topically onto the infected area. Do this 2 or 3 times a day for a few days. If fresh calendula is not available, you can use calendula lotion or ointment. Apply it on the infected belly button as directed. White vinegar. White vinegar is mildly acidic in nature, and thus it effectively prevents the growth of infection-causing bacteria in the belly button. Apply a few drops of white vinegar in the belly button daily until you get complete relief from the problem. Clean your belly button. Perhaps more of a preventive measure than an outright remedy, but even if you are infected, Keeping the nasal cavity dry and clean will help you keep further infections at bay. Use an antibacterial liquid, Dettol/Savlon, or an antiseptic soap to clean the area. Once you have had your bath, dry the nasal cavity thoroughly. You can use a cotton ball to gently clean out dust and other grime. Remember to use a water-based ointment, as other types of ointments can block the pores and cause skin clogging. Baking soda. Needless to mention the effective antimicrobial properties of baking soda that make it a perfect remedy to get rid of belly button infection. Not only this, baking soda is also very rich in anti-inflammatory properties that can take care of other symptoms like pain and itching. Apply a baking soda paste in your belly button regularly to treat the infection completely. If you like this video, give it thumbs up. Share it with your friends. For more health tips, subscribe this channel.